Hey y'all, welcome to my first official voiceover. Here you'll see me doing my hair. I am going to spritz it. I'm going to spray it very well. Spray, spray, spray. Mix it with that 360 bottle mist sprayer. I'm going to spray the entire perimeter of my head. And those of you who follow me know that I use this here um, on my go-to style, which is this. I'm going to go ahead and brush it up to the top because I'm going to do a high puff on top of my head. And so I need to make sure I get that smooth. Um, I need to take this band. I almost forgot it, but take this band and continue to brush my hair. So I wrap that band around there twice. Then I go back to brushing it. I'm gonna brush, brush, brush. I like to wet the bristles of the brush because that helps me add a little more extra water to my hair. And I go ahead and continue to brush. Now as I brush, let me tell you, this is on a twist out that I've been wearing for a couple of days. That's that professional eco styler gel. I think that's the one with the flaxseed oil. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that to the perimeter, rub that on my head, those edges, the hair around where I want it to lay more smoothly. So I'm gonna go back and go ahead and start to brush it more in the upward position just to actually train it or lay it in the direction that I want the hairstyle to go. It's more like a molding technique. So I'll continue to do that till I get the desired smoothness. I also like to use this here. This is that gem. So I'll use some of the gem. And that's which one is that one? The one with the orange top? Yeah, that's that one. And then I take a little bit there between my fingers. Go ahead, rub it. Rub it smooth around the edges. I love how the shine that gives, as well as the hold. Not a hard hold. I like a soft hold. So between that Eco Styler and that gel there, and me brushing it with that water, that's going to make it lay smooth and it'll be soft as well. I don't want it to be, any um, hard feeling to the hair. So yeah. So once I get that smooth and laid, I'll go ahead and slide the band up. And be careful if you decide to use one of these bands. I usually take that stretchy silicone headband and I'll wrap it around twice. And like I did, I hold it on that chin, then I'll slide it up here and I'll slide it up over the civil bone just to shape it. Sometimes I do a little bit higher, sometimes a little bit lower, just to the desired look that I'm going for. So there's a little bit higher. And then I'll take my handy dandy pick. I like to use this plastic pick, and I just go into the root of the hair and I pick it and pick it and pick it. And as I'm shaping it, if you notice, I'm kind of looking at you in the camera or I'm looking in the mirror, and I'm just shaping it and playing with it to get it to lay in any direction that I tend to think is a little cute and fitting to my face. So I'll continue to do that. Here it seems like I'm making it where one side is a little bit shorter and it's going more to one side. Girl, you remember that back in the day they had a little peekaboo, one side longer be peeking through there. I guess that's where I'm headed with this style. Yeah, but I be doing what I can with this little natural hair, whatever. I get lazy a lot of times, so a lot of times you see me just going on sliding that puff up there. But with it being so hot out, it's nice to wear it up off my neck and everything. You see how smooth it's looking back there? Let me get this hood out your way so you can see. But yeah, see how it's like even across the top. So I like to make sure that it's just kind of even and then make sure it's laying smooth. You can see the little natural waves that's in there. And yeah, just push it up more and more, get it the higher and shape the band, push that band to where it's more comfortable. You don't want that too tight on your head. And just continue to play with the hair. Get it cute. Get it to your liking. I see one piece I could have done a little more something with, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah. So, hey, yep, I'm almost satisfied. Let's see, there's something else I can do to get myself ready for the day. Okay, put on my earrings. Y'all, I really like these earrings. I let my hair do the talking. That's what they say. So, yeah, put my earrings on. I love to wear my earrings. I hate not having earrings on. I feel so naked without my earrings. So, yeah, put that on. And yeah, these here they just got like a little hook, and then I slide the little rubber piece on the back just to make sure they hold on. And once I get them on, I'm gonna move on. Oop, there you go. Yes, girl. Yes. What else I need to do? Okay. Oh yeah, y'all know this is my Olay baby moisturizer. Make sure you are moisturizing that skin. I have to keep that moisturizer on my. Oh yep. Put a little bit there. Rub it on my face, and make sure I do it and rub it in good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness, if you have not tried this, you are missing out. It makes me feel like I have a whole new face, and I just gently rub it and massage it. Make sure you get the chin area, that nose, around the eyes, it just don't miss anything. I'm not actually putting it on my hair here, just just seeing something I want to touch. Get on that neck and that chest a little bit, then get a little bit of glow at the same time, and it lasts. All right, get them little lips. What's this one? This is my Fenty, y'all. This that Fenty lip gloss, that hot chocolate. Put some of that on. Mwah, gives you a good look. Yep. Can't put too much on. Can't put too much on. There we go. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What else? Oh yeah, put my little eyeshadow on. Just a smidget, Yep. Just a little bit on that lower eyelid. Yep, just a little bit, just to get a little pop. You see it popping, but it's not overbearing because I want for a more natural look here, a natural beauty look, just a little pop of something, just a little get ready with me here. So yeah, getting ready to go nowhere to be honest, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay, let me fix myself. Fix my clothes. I don't want to. Okay, I'm fly. I'm fly. Yeah, yeah, you see me? Okay, back to this hair. Oh, see, I messed it up a little bit, but it'll be all right. It will be all right. All right. I'm feeling good, looking good. Can't tell me nothing, baby. Ooh, yeah. When you feel good, you get a little more, the attitude hype up a little bit. Look at that smooth. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Touch it. Just touch. Don't you just want to touch it? Huh, don't touch my hair. Don't touch my hair. All right. I let my hair do the talking.